Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164, and today we are going to do the unboxing for this Nissan GT-R R35 Nismo. This one is from Inno64. There are actually several versions of this car came out, but I really like this one only. And there are many cars came out from Inno, but I don't buy all of them. I just buy what I like. You guys know that, right? So you probably like to see this first. Yeah, let me show this. I don't know what you guys like about all this. I just like these cars. Let's throw it away and see this. See this beautiful car in a very protective case. Let's put this on this side and see this. So I'm going to open this. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to open this with the screwdriver I have. I hope it will help. It's a big one. The screw is really small. Yeah, it's working actually. Somehow it is working. I'm able to open this. Oh, see? I don't need that too. I just need this, baby. I just need this, baby. Let's bring the turntable, and I'll put this on the turntable and show you guys, okay? Let me start this. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Here is your Nismo GT-R R35 with this cool color. This is more like a Rosso Mars color from the Lamborghini with the black trim on it and black carbon fiber hood on it. But it's not the Lamborghini. It's more or less a Nissan GT-R, and this is from the Nismo. I don't know what color, what they call this color, but to me it's a Rosso Mars, okay? And I really like the detailing on the wheels of this car. The front is very clean with the GT-R logo on it. The wheels, look at the wheels, the plate, the caliber, everything is so perfectly aligned, and this car rolls perfectly, guys. This rolls awesome. This looks so good. And you know what I love more and more about this car? Look at the exhaust when it is going to come back. Look at that. Look at that exhaust. Oh my god, the burnt blue exhaust, man. Inno nailed this one. I know Mini GT is going to release some soon in white and other color, and maybe in the future they will release this red. But trust me, the moment I saw this car, I cannot resist for not having this. And now I have it, and now I'm happy. You should be happy too. So guys, that was your GT-R R35 from Inno. Man, this is a crazy car. This is a crazy car with these crazy wheels, man. See this? See, they roll really well. They roll very well. This is something, a rare kind of quality with the Inno, that the wheel rolls perfectly. I like it. I like it. Do let me know, guys, what you think about this car. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.